Yeah, 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 yeah. MadaGlory, yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, blessed things are spoken of thee. I'll sit your Jasila, glorious tunes. From the MadaGlory, pick up yourself, me a fire Mbokodo this, Shoo! Aye. Big things are going. Third culture, Sirayeli this one. Glory, MadaGlory. Big up on yourself, me say fire, MadaGlory. Glory, what a glory. With a fire tune that you play with, MadaGlory. Glory, MadaGlory. Bless up on yourself, me say fire, MadaGlory. Glory, what a glory. With the fire tune that you play with, MadaGlory. In a details you are bad, MadaGlory. Checking a step as is a good job something. You bring the vibe, me say fire with Mbokodo. When are you a large, me say fire with Mbokodo. You bring the vibe, the pan in a dance hall. I can't go find another the pan in a dance hall, yeah. You bring the vibe, me say fire with a real fireful dabs that you dab in Mbokodo. I can't content kawem, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can't content kawem. Whoa, si bolange tasting. Masegungela wena spolange tasting. Kuma step on. MadaGlory. Big up on yourself, me say fire, MadaGlory. Glory, what a glory. With a fire tune that you play with, MadaGlory. Glory, MadaGlory. Bless up on yourself, me say fire, MadaGlory. Glory, what a glory. With the fire tune that you play with, MadaGlory. Big up a lipa things you do musically. Big up a lipa dabsy that you tap in at this time. The tune that you play tachai and I hatikali. The tune that you tap lisa marasta manning. Yeah. Fire happy penny the time. In a details keep the fire miss happening. Yeah. No matter what one but tabli lenja burning. The fire that you pay no tabli sanje burning. Ake konchen kawem. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ake konchen kawem. Uo, se si bonange tasting. Masegungela wena bonange tasting. Kuma stepos. Glory, MadaGlory. Big up on yourself, me say fire, MadaGlory. Glory, what a glory. With the fire tune that you play with, MadaGlory. Glory, MadaGlory. Bless up on yourself, me say fire, MadaGlory. Glory, what a glory. With the fire tune that you play with, MadaGlory.